maybe this is like a life lesson for contractors gone wild, but I think any homeowner that is beyond frustrated, what you have to do is give yourself more options. Usually in life, right? You're the most stressed you are, the most frustrated you are, is because you have limited options or you feel like you have no options. And calling in the cavalry, getting advice from an attorney or from a certified master builder, it is going to give you options, and it's instant relief. It's an instant relief making a phone call. Yeah. And if there's nothing to do, the reputable attorney, the reputable builder is going to say, I can't help you. We're not going to sell ice to an Eskimo. Right. But at least then you get options. You can I don't know if it's worst or best case. One instance is going to be you're going to edify that you're on the right path, or another one is, oh my gosh, I never thought about that. I didn't know I could go that way, but it's instant relief.
Yes, and these problems are really both, they're real, people will eventually make this call because of the real life problems they're having, right? Like this is affecting in some way their time or their money or their quality of life, and usually all three. And that pressure that builds up in those areas is what gets them to finally say, hey, I need help. And the help they need is both legal, but it's also practical on the ground. And so as a lawyer, there's certain things I can do that I can't, and certain things I can't do. And as a contractor, certain things you can do and certain things you can't do, which is why having sort of the both professionals on your team together working in tandem to help you figure out your best path forward is the right way to handle
instant relief. We've seen on our faces all the time, right? That first phone call, it's like, oh my gosh, finally, maybe there's a way out.
Yeah, absolutely.